here, gonna have a nice little day. Luckily, don't have a ton of work, got through it. It's Friday, so I'm gonna hit the coffee shop. In the morning, I like to do my little quick routine, listen to lo-fi. Alright, so this is a crazy camera angle, but usually start off by just splashing my face, drying it. I've been having crazy dreams lately. Then the final steps for me is I do a serum and moisturizing cream. What do we got? Niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Alright, so I wanted to shoot this vlog kind of just more realistic. I've been watching a lot of these morning routine vlogs and it's addictive, but it's kind of depressing because it's like these people just seem so clean and put together. And they've actually made me more organized. Like I was sick last week and I went on this crazy like cleaning spree of my apartment and like reactivated all this stuff. So I want to show you kind of what I've been using. And you know, my day's pretty simple. I hit the cafe. I'm a content creator, so I'm constantly shooting something for a company. Today, luckily, I don't have to shoot anything. I just have to edit for this basketball training mat, kind of smart basketball. It's pretty cool, actually. It like teaches you how to dribble better with this mat, and like you have a holster for your phone, and it like syncs up and stuff. Maybe when I'm editing, I'll show you guys some of the video I shot yesterday. Hopefully it's in focus because I'm actually using. This is my phone here. I'm actually using a mic. So these are all just like items that I had sitting around that I'm like, oh wait, I can like improve my production value as I'm on like a 45-degree angle. One thing I need to get is a better camera tripod. You can see, I'll show you the setup I'm using right now when I go get ready. So yeah, let's put on some clothes, check out the fit. I'm going super comfy today and let's get into it. Went with a monochromatic fit. I love booster style, and I love this. This is Ruka. I thrifted this, but it's gonna be cold at this coffee shop, so I'm bringing this to wrap up, even though it's super hot in LA today. So this is my everyday carry pouch. It's from Grams 28. Super high quality brand. I actually saw another YouTuber talking about it yesterday, and he's like really into bags and fashion and stuff like that. So I've been using it as kind of like an everyday carry pouch. Usually I use it as a laptop sleeve, but now when I go to the cafe, I just use my iPhone because I'm basically going to submit. I'm an actor, so you submit to like Actors Access, LA Casting, and Backstage. That usually takes a couple hours, but I got this like calm carry device. It basically sends like a little electrical pulse in your hand and calms you down. It's kind of sick. Listerine. Got this like Swedish Never Go Alone, like almost like fragrant adjacent hand sanitizer, but I got a refill from REI and filled it up with a different liquid. This is like gum, but it has caffeine in it. Probably won't use that. A little charger bank. These are sick. These are from Anchor, I think. Let's see. I don't want to say the wrong brand. Doesn't matter. It's a MagSafe, so you can pop it on your mag, and then some lip balms from Starface. So yeah, zip it all up. Oh, and then also my wallet. This is another thing I got off like a TikTok deal. It's like a retractable wallet. But yeah, you just have this now and you can just carry it off to the market. So let's hit it. First, to look at my super aesthetic apartment, somewhat. This is my clutter area where I have all the weird little trinkets my family has given me over the years, books I've gotten. Got this taser. The kitchen. It's my self-tape wall. Interesting bit of the walk to the cafe is the Tesla Cafe, or diner. It's basically a massive charger. I mean, the building's not a charger. It kind of looks like one, but you basically have to have a Tesla to park in here, and then you can watch movies, which is kind of sick. So you kind of always walk by. They always have some sci-fi cartoon like the Jetsons or Back to the Future playing. You know how Alon is a nerd. Also, on Fridays, there's always protesters protesting Alon, which they're very annoying. Not that I'm on either side, but they're banging pots and pans. And I'm pretty sure they're paid to do it. But yeah, Tesla Diner. Sometimes I get coffee in there. The coffee is super strong and the food is super mid. So this is called Apparatus. It's a lighting studio that you can just go and peruse. LA is so niche that this street is all lighting studios. So let's check this place out. Tough shooting content when you're also working on content. I have pretty bad ADHD. And yeah, it's hard doing multiple things at once, but I'm about to make this amazing drink. It's a kind of sweet treat that I make when I don't want to have a second coffee because it's post noon and coffee has like a half-life of like 8 hours. So I kind of try to stop drinking coffee after a certain point. Otherwise, I'll be up all night. So this, instead of using espresso, uses protein powder. So I took a shaker. I got this insanely big jug of chocolate protein powder that actually tastes really good. It's whey, so you take like a bit of a scoop in the shaker, and then I use filtered water to kind of make it feel like an espresso, you know what I'm saying? And then you shake it up as the base layer. Kind of a lot of milk, but I like milk, so that's good. Shake it up, and then I'll show you how this is kind of like a fake little chocolate latte. So there you have it. And then there's one other step I'm going to do real quick. Maple syrup and heavy cream whipped makes our sweet top. The exact reason why I hate filming while living my life is this thing just spun everywhere. So you just kind of froth it up like that. Boom, sweet top. Sometimes I'll add protein in there too. Now let's get a little lift in. I also just pulled my back lifting to get the shot. So yeah, content creator, it's great. I'm gonna finish this protein. Watch some TV, but I'll check in with you guys later. So this is something I've been doing, which is great because it's so hot in LA. You juice a lemon, and I froze this thing. It's the see. That's why I hate shooting, because I'm just a mess. Well, actually, this lemon is just super hard to squeeze. Putting it back. We're gonna do a lime instead. And I just keep it in the fridge in this bowl, and then have that in the bowl. So it's always ready to rock, because I drink about like 6 of these a day. Watch out, the juice that just squeezes out with these old school ones. Then I take the mayo. I don't really even know what water tastes like without this stuff. Like, I've been drinking it for a long time. This one has electrolytes. And then, this stuff's actually amazing. It was a brand deal, Country MD, Nitro Pulse. I would actually buy this again because I'm coming down to the end of it. Or buy it the first time. But I got like half a scoop. and it's strawberry lemonade flavor. It's for heart circulation. I mean, it doesn't have caffeine in it, but it's like all the supplements that are basically caffeine. So it gets your heart pumping. If you're like drained midday, it's super nice for that. And then sometimes honey, but I'm gonna do maple syrup today. And then that's that. Low sugarish, good flavor. Got vitamins in there from the fruit. And then filtered water on the tap. Up. And then the rest, rock ice. And I've been keeping the pre-made ice in this bar shaker with a little scoop. Just put it back in the fridge. And we have kind of pre-mix sober cocktail. It's so good. Sweet, sour, healthy. Booyah. I also just wanted to show you guys this luggage I got. This stuff was a brand deal. It's from MVST Select, the Essentials collection, but they sent me a medium and a carry-on. I'm so excited to travel with this stuff. The handles are leather. It's like polyurethane German plastic, and it's just super sturdy. The interior is super, basically like it matches like a Renault level interior quality. Same destructible, except instead of metal that scratches up, it's got plastic, polyurethane. Super smooth wheels, dope brand. I love these startups that are, or like companies that are just cheaper than the big names while matching the quality. Chef's kiss. So that's my main cooking maneuver, is whenever it's getting too hot or it's sticking to the bottom of the pan, instead of turning the heat down, I splash it with something liquid, something salty from like olive juice or pickle juice. I use pickle juice just now. It's a little sweeter, so it seasons it, it cools the pan off, and it gets all the shit off the bottom. Pro move. And the fond at the bottom of the pan all melts together and it becomes a sauce, and then you can add heavy cream if you really want to make it nice and creamy. So these are my eggs. I add some of these like Cars crackers and this really good Korean style sauce from Trader Joe's. Eggs, chicken meatballs, and some sauce and cheese. Alright, so it's been a moderately hectic day. Definitely filming stuff made stuff a little more messy. Like, as a content creator, it's rough with ADHD because I'm just like doing 8 things at once, like lighting and all that. But you know, it makes me think of like these content creators that are just like super polished and have careers, and it's like they're also just making content all the time. Like, it's very unrealistic. The majority of them are just full-time content creators, and then they add like stories about themselves in to make it more authentic, whether it's true or not. But I'm personally a full-time content creator. Like, I make my money making videos for brands and sometimes getting hired to act. But my dad is definitely right when he said that wherever there's success, there's corporate America. So up until now, the way I've been able to make money is working with companies, but definitely fun doing these vlogs. And I know there are creators who are making money just completely off of like views and revenue and maybe like gifts on live. I don't really know. But yeah, basically just today really taught me about like how great it is that I've built this routine for myself. This is my dinner, by the way. It's basically like frozen vegetables with egg and cheese and kind of the same thing as my lunch. Ooh, and sweet potato gnocchi. But yeah, my brother calls it the submarine, keeping the submarine afloat. And like when you have a routine and you've really maxed out your life in terms of like skincare and health and drinks and this and that, it like adds up and it becomes a lot of work in itself, you know, on top of the other work. Like today, this dribble up company ended up being a huge to do because like it was late and the platform was like threatening to drop me if I didn't submit the content in time, and then uploading from the Fujifilm took forever. So it was like hours just to get this content uploaded and cleared. And I love clearing out content, but I also like, it's completely never ending. Like right now I'm shooting, I'm gonna take a bath and call it, because it's been a hectic day. But I'm also going live on TikTok because they have some like promo for creators where if you go live for an hour you get paid, and like open up some new levels. So content, baby, what we're doing. Wow, appreciate you guys coming along. Comment, let me know if you like this, let me know what you didn't like. I'm a messy guy, but I also really edited today too. Usually it's actually, when I'm not filming, it goes way smoother. It's usually a really symbiotic day, and most of it's spent trying to fill my time productively, because these days stretch on, especially when you're self-employed. But all right, peace out, guys. All in all, kind of an amazing day. Greek yogurt, frozen fruit, protein powder, flaxseed, maple syrup. Good. Yeah, today was messy. It's definitely hard recording while you're like in the moment, going with the flow. Like, my thought is a lot of these influencers are recording this stuff and like really planning it out. Like they're, because you know, like if I'm doing it like a shoot, it's easy, but I was trying to be spontaneous, and man, it felt very sporadic. But hopefully it turns out. We'll see you in the edit tomorrow. But the main thing for me has been like nostalgia and missing like a time that's never coming back, like 2008 to 2014 mainly, living in New York, traveling the world, but also like grateful that I'm not going through that anymore. Like it was it was like trying and very like questionable whether I'd make it out on the other side. And I was a blogger at the time in 2010, a travel blogger. My blog was called New Life Travel, connected me with a lot of amazing people. I never made money on it, but even in 2010, that was the game plan. Like I knew from Gary Vaynerchuk and Wine Library that you can make money shooting content. And it's amazing that that's what I'm doing now in LA. Just like every day working with a new brand, basically. I try not to do more than one a day and just like keep my schedule light, because like today, things pile up like super quick. Like just the easiest task of transferring files from my camera, editing and submitting it, it took like hours today. I'm just like sitting there. And it was funny because it was very meditative. Like I was like sitting waiting for the devices to finish with literally nothing to do. Like I should have brought a book, but anyway, good times. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully it's not like 8 hours long because I shot a lot of content, but we're gonna put the best stuff in, and see you next time.